Under the direction of Matthew McMillan, assisted by Andrew Usey and Darren Hooper, color guard director Thomas Logan, the Sulphur High School Golden Tornado Marching Band. The band staff includes Kyle Cook, Caden Burgett, Wesley Littleton, Ezra Chavez, percussion staff Luke Pachetti, Dustin Cox, Abby Labrie, Thomas Post, Coast Guard staff Shelby Guillory, a comma helps, doesn't it? Shelby Guillory, Cortland Grimmiall, Vaughn Herman, and Layla Razzo. The drum majors are Caden McCardle, Royce Singletary, and Gabriel Winkleman. Storm Braniff is the drum captain. Bryson Porter is the front ensemble captain. Riley Bird is the guard captain. Amia Henry and Madden Trahan are guard lieutenants. Brass captain is Logan Robertson. Nidia Cazares is the woodwind captain. Trent Stanley is the soloist, along with Michaela Rhodes, Nicholas Rizzuto, Paxton Van Meter, and Nidia Cazares. The band will be performing Black Swan this afternoon, and that includes music from Pavane, Swan Blake, Little Fugue in G minor, My Immortal, The Show Must Go On. Percussion arranged by Luke Pachetti. Drum major, is your band ready? Sulphur High School Golden Tornado Marching Band. You may take the field for festival performance. Ladies and gentlemen, from Sulphur, Louisiana, the Golden Tornado Marching Band.